pitch exploration is called The Airplane Ride by Dr. Feyerabend. I'm going to read a short story, and every time I say, "All right," you have to echo me. Let's practice it. All right. Every time I say, "Oh no," you have to say that too. My turn, your turn. Oh no. Let's hear the airplane ride. A man went up in an airplane. All right. But the plane didn't have an engine. Oh no. But the man had a parachute. All right. But the parachute wouldn't open. Oh no. But there was a haystack under him. All right. But there was a pitchfork in the haystack. Oh no. But he missed the pitchfork. All right. But he missed the haystack too.